Now I'll teach you the remaining chemical properties of the bases, children. These properties we had seen, your book writes that strong alkalis absorb carbon dioxide from air. I explained you that if we have any non-metallic oxide which are acidic in nature, and if they react with bases, they absorb, they combine, they give us salt and water. So it can be asked, name a compound, as I told you, which can absorb CO2 from the system, NaOH or KOH. Likewise, I explained you all possibilities how it can be asked. Then I had shown you these reactions also. That's fine. I go to now the remaining part. Point number 3. Please tick it, and you may write with the pencil somewhere observations. Observations, very important, right? Observation to learn. Write down. Please write right now observations to learn. Now I'll tell you, children. They'll ask you, copper sulfate reacts with ammonium hydroxide. Reaction you can easily frame, not much of a problem. Gives you ammonium sulfate and copper hydroxide. But children, you see this arrow, that means PPT is formed. And do remember the color of PPT. It is pale blue. Please learn. They'll ask you observations. So not only reaction, even the observations. And whenever we have a possible observation to be quoted, to be written anywhere, which can be asked, any color change, any gas color, colored gas evolved, please prepare it well. You have to learn these. Okay? One is understanding, it's fine. But few things we also have to learn, children. Second is zinc sulfate. I hope you can see. Zinc sulfate. Hope you can see. Zinc sulfate reacts with NaOH, gives you Na2SO4 and zinc hydroxide. You see, children, it is gelatinous white PPT. This is gelatinous white PPT. Please learn it. It is gelatinous white. So one was pale blue, copper hydroxide. Other PPT is gelatinous white, which is of zinc. Third, they may ask you your ferrous sulfate. This ferrous sulfate reacts with NaOH, gives you Na2SO4 and FeOH whole twice. And this is dirty green PPT. Don't write just green PPT. It is dirty green PPT. So we have to learn these reactions with observations. So please practice these reactions at home, as I'm suggesting you. These reactions will come under the heading your practical chemistry also. There we have some more reactions. So if you start learning from here, it will be easy for you. Then children, remaining you don't have to go anything for here. Don't worry for that. Then last point comes on this page only, page 45. Where we have got chemical properties. Towards end, you see, I'm showing you the reactions. I'll try to focus it for you. I'll try to focus, just 1 minute. This is there. These reactions. Ammonium chloride or any ammonium salt, when reacts with any alkali, NaOH, KOH or CaOH whole twice, give us corresponding salt, water and evolve ammonia gas. Statement to be learnt: when alkalis are warmed with any ammonium salt, ammonia gas is given out. Any ammonium salt, no exception, any ammonium salt. Please tick this also. Suppose they ask you ammonium chloride is treated with NaOH, name the gas evolved. Ammonia will be evolved, right? Or NH4Cl reacts with calcium hydroxide, name the gas evolved. So children, you have to write these reactions. Although they were there under the heading ammonia, your chapter ammonia, but yes, you still have to prepare it, children. Okay? So these were the main reactions of your chemical properties of ammonia. Then children, they're giving you a table here. General uses of bases. Just see here some basic hydroxides they are given. And if you can have an idea, not very important, but do have some idea. If you can, nothing like it. Otherwise, don't strain yourself that you have to learn this and memorize this. No, just have an idea. Because what all we study in chemistry, we should also have some idea about their uses wherever possible. So just have an idea. So I stop here. Then I'll only take up the next portion in my next audio, and let us see how much time is there. Accordingly, we will plan. So if any question, any problem you have, you keep note down somewhere, and you can ask me after class. Just up till here only. This is in this video sufficient.